Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Sanford Khan here, business author, speaker. Welcome to this YouTube video entitled War, Money, and Inflation. They are tied together. If you get something from this video, appreciate it if you could hit the like symbol. That's that thumbs up thing. And subscribe to my channel. I wish I could say the world is getting safer, but it's just really the opposite. The world is getting more dangerous for the United States and its allies' interest. Much more dangerous. We're inching closer and closer to war. And as the Roman general Marcus Aurelius said, the true road to peace is to be prepared for war. The United States is not prepared for war. Matter of fact, after inflation, defense spending has been going down for years. That now has to be reversed. Can't keep going down this road because weakness invites aggression. We have to start spending much more money on building up our defense capabilities and modernizing our Army and Air Forces. Well, that brings in money inflation. No society in history was able to afford both guns, that's defense spending, and butter, that's social spending, simultaneously without destroying the currency through the process of inflation. Inflation will also destroy the middle class. Real living standards will go down. If you're going to spend money, and the trend is to spend money on guns, then you're going to have to cut back on butter, social expenditures. Not cut out, but cut back. If you don't, inflation will take root. There's no ifs, buts, or ifs about it. That's what happens. That's always what happens. You cannot simultaneously spend money on guns and butter without inflating and destroying your currency. You have to decide what you want to do through the political process. The United States and its allies, but the United States has to spend substantially more monies on building up its defense capabilities. Therefore, they have to spend less money on social programs. I know this isn't popular, but this is the way the world works. It's always worked this way. Always. Anyways, I think I made my point, and I don't want to produce a long video. Appreciate it, like I said before. Appreciate if you could hit the like symbol and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you again. Remember, Marcus Aurelius was a wise man. He was a former Roman emperor. The true road to peace lies in being prepared for war. Take care now.